Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad with fresh tuna. Start by selecting firm, bright tuna and patting it dry before seasoning. Heat a skillet until hot and sear the tuna briefly for rare to medium or cook longer for well done. Let the cooked tuna rest, then flake gently with a fork into bite-sized pieces. Combine with dressing, herbs, and crunchy veggies for a balanced, flavorful salad. Whisk a simple dressing by combining mayo or yogurt with lemon juice, a touch of Dijon, and salt to taste, then taste and adjust. Fold in chopped celery, red onion, herbs, and pickles or capers for contrasts in texture and flavor. For a lighter version, substitute half the mayo with plain yogurt and add a pinch of sugar if needed to balance acidity. Mix gently with flaked tuna so it stays tender and moist. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on prepping fresh tuna instead of sweeping up crumbs, and yes, it even answers to voice control if you want to boss it around while you plate. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Plate your tuna salad immediately for best texture, whether on toast, in a wrap, or atop mixed greens for a low-carb option. If storing, transfer to an airtight container and chill promptly, using within 3 days for safety and freshness. Revive stored portions by stirring in a splash of lemon or a tiny drizzle of olive oil, and add fresh herbs just before serving to brighten flavors. Enjoy cold or slightly chilled for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.